guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today we are here at the SM Mall of Asia and we are going to Uniqlo Coffee. So Uniqlo opens new cafe here at the SM Mall of Asia. This is located at the third floor of the newly renovated store in the main mall. Uniqlo Coffee is open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Thursday and until 10 p.m. from Friday to Sunday. So you can choose from their drink menu and food menu. So sa drink menu, meron silang coffee-based and non-coffee-based. While for their food menu, they have yung favorite namin na New York cheesecake and matcha cheesecake, and gelatos like cereal milk, hojika, and tablea lava cake. So guys, yung kanilang seats ay nandito sa outside ng store nila. So, dyan tayo uupo. The few seats lang naman. So guys, what we got is the matcha cheesecake, New York cheesecake, the cereal milk ice cream, and Spanish latte. How was it? balance. I like this one. So guys, the cereal milk ice cream is only 160 pesos. Super sarap niya. Very creamy. And then may parang cereal talaga siya inside. So guys, here's the cereal. So guys, again, andito siya sa labas. Andito yung mga seats sa labas. So ayan lang, nandun lang yung counter sa loob.